bringing it.
Hello everyone, this is Vishal and today we are going to remove any subject, objects, whatever you want to remove from a picture using this simple trick in Photoshop. So, firstly, we have to select that object we want to remove from picture. So, to make a selection, you can use any of the selection tool. In this, I am using object selection tool. And I want to remove the balloon and the thread. So firstly make a selection of this balloon. I am using object selection tool. Just drag it and Photoshop AI makes a selection easily. Now go to select, modify and expand and set the pixels to around 35. It expands the selection. Now we have also make a selection of this thread too. So take polygonal lasso tool and hold the shift key to add the selection. Just click like this and once you make the selection just enter the key to make selection. Now we have to add this thread to select that area. Guys, make sure you hold the shift key. Now our selection is ready. After that just go to image, sorry, edit and use content aware fill and click OK. To deselect the selection, just press Ctrl or Command D to deselect. And we are done. And guys, for more understanding, let's take another example. I have already placed another image and I want to remove the first guy and the third guy from this picture. So use any of the selection tool. In this I am using polygonal lasso tool and make a selection and click enter. Hold the shift key to add the selection. Now our selection is ready. Simply after the selection go to edit and use content aware fill and it does a fantastic job and click OK. To deselect the sub area just press Ctrl or Command D. You can see it clearly. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest tricks and tips. Thank you.